Weather, and if you stepped outside, you know that it is pretty chilly out there right now.
Yeah, definitely. My stash is going to keep me warmer. Of course, this is all for Movember, for Men's Health Awareness and fighting prostate cancer. So that's why I'm growing the mow all this month. So this is going to help me out a little bit. But yeah, let's talk about outside right now. In fact, we have a few clouds. Temperatures have dipped a little bit here. We're right now at 47 degrees. We're going to start to see some clouds increasing as the night goes on and even some fog. Now, right now, the winds are pretty light from the south and east at about 3 miles per hour, but you can see down south, especially along the I-5 corridor, we are dealing with some pretty dense fog, pretty close to McMinnville right now, 1.5 mile visibility in Salem. Once we get down towards Corvallis, visibilities were about 0 a little bit earlier, now up to 1/4 mile, and you see Portland around 7. So you are going to see some patchy fog developing within the next probably hour and a half or so. Today's high is right around 58 degrees, averages in the mid-50s, so we were slightly above where we should be for this time of year. 54 for Salem, Pendleton, and Baker City in the mid to upper 50s, and morning lows this morning right around 41 degrees. 42 is average for us. Salem right now are at 39 for this morning, and then check out the coast. Clear skies, 36 for Tillamook, and we start at 38 out towards Astoria. Now, temperatures right now in the low to mid 40s for most of us, 53 in Lincoln City. And again, I think temperatures are actually going to start to go up a little bit as we start to see some clouds increasing right off the coast. But the headlines are really going to talk about the changes coming in. Now, tomorrow morning when you wake up, I think we're going to be in shower mode for most of the morning at least. But once we get into Tuesday, you're really going to notice these east winds increasing, especially Tuesday night to Wednesday. I think most of the metro area will start to feel that, and that is going to really filter that cold air in. And we're even talking about maybe some wintry mix chances coming in the gorge by Wednesday night. Now, as we take a look at the latest satellite and radar, nothing in the way of precipitation right now, but you notice clouds are starting to increase ahead of a frontal boundary. So these showers are going to start to make their way in overnight tonight, and especially tomorrow morning. So again, if you wake up early for your Sunday morning, I think it'll be dry before about 6 a.m. Once we get past that, I think we're going to start to see those showers moving in. Now, here's the planner. Again, fog is going to develop tonight. Temperatures are going to dip down to around 44 degrees between about midnight and 6 o'clock in the morning. Once we get to 8 a.m., that's when I do think the rain's going to start to move in about 49 degrees, and we'll stay in scattered shower mode, maybe a few sun breaks coming in towards the latter part of the day with temperatures around 56 degrees. Well, if you think 56 is cool, wait till we get into the middle parts of the week, because we have a cold air mass that's really going to start to come down, and that is going to make its way into parts of Washington and Oregon, filter through the gorge, and it's going to make it to the metro area. Now, I'm watching the potential for this area low pressure developing. A couple of the models are indicating this. That's going to try to build in some moisture with this. Okay, so we have that cold air combined, the moisture from this low pressure system. So we're going to have to watch portions of the metro area, especially out east in the gorge, and that is going to bring those changes coming in, meaning the chance for that wintry mix potentially by Wednesday night. Again, stay tuned for this, because we all know that this could change a little bit on us, but I do think definitely that we're going to see that moisture coming in and potentially some of that frozen stuff through the gorge. So here's tomorrow morning, 9:30, again, showers, a few downpours potentially, but by the time we roll around by tomorrow evening, I think we start to clear out and dry out, and then by Monday it looks pretty much mostly sunny, and temperatures in the low to mid 50s for us before that cold air really starts to filter in by Tuesday. So as we go ahead and look at the forecast for tomorrow along the coast, we'll be in the 50s. Rain will be likely, a little breezy at times, and along the I-5 corridor will be wet at times. Now, eastern areas towards the Cascades, you'll see the rain out west, but out east, Baker City, you can see a wintry mix by tomorrow evening. And then through the gorge tomorrow, temperatures in the 50s, Government Camp 44 with rain and snow likely as snow levels dip to around 4,900 feet by tomorrow night. So here's that forecast. Again, windy Tuesday night to Wednesday, potential mix through the gorge. Check out those highs in the low 40s with temperatures dipping down into the low 30s here in the metro area.
Wow, it is cooling down.
Yeah, it is.
All right. And I think the mustache makes you look distinguished.
I heard it makes me look a lot older.
Well, distinguished, yeah. Well, what a night for the Oregon Ducks. Some crazy plays in this